Yes, still on the series of Riere. Riere, do you know? Do you know you as a mother, as a father that has given birth to a son or a daughter, you are not permitted, you are not expected to admire another person's child in Roboland? Yes, technically, you are not expected to admire another person's child. But of course, you see a handsome boy, come me where what but we say it, so you come so if you want to admire an Eru like me, for instance, what are the Omo Me Jevwe? What are Omo Me Jevwe? So I will like for you. Omo Me Jevwe, I admire. When you see another boy, maybe a boy or a girl that is handsome or that is well behaved, instead of you say, what a beautiful girl, what a beautiful boy. Don't do that. What you are supposed to say, my son is beautiful. My son is handsome. My daughter is beautiful. Because I don't know, could it be superstition? If you say that you are handsome or you are beautiful, what will happen? Come work a woo. But that's how we grew up. So the next time as an Urhobo man, you want to admire another person's daughter or another person's son, you don't say Womeru or that Omo Me Jevwe, Omo Me Jevwe, Omo Me Jevwe. Sure, I go lie for you. If I think I'm lying about this thing, ask the elders, they will tell you, you are not actually permitted to say another man pikin is fine. What you say, Omo Me Jevwe, but an Omo Me Jevwe. Even as a wife, you're not actually permitted to admire another man. If you like another man, for example, maybe another man's husband, another wife. Maybe you want to admire another woman's husband. So if you say, this is my friend, say my husband fine. And the man they admire, so you just say, but guys, be careful. Now the next time when you say woman will talk, say, my husband fine. Because you say the woman not the trip for you. Because the park on a corner, you papa will a kisha war. You get that, so you papa or will a kisha, don't try him. In fact, let me tell you something. As an Urhobo man, if your wife no do you again, no do you. If you know say you no fit keep your pin for one place, who marry plenty. Instead of you they jump from one man's wife to another. You don't kill yourself be that too. The kind date when you go carry for your head. So you better be careful. You get that? You better be careful. That's just about it. We'll see in another video. To come your way again, don't forget. Me about to talk about and I say Omo Masha no Polyglot Urhobo. That's say in Nigeria. Me wait na Urhobo Heritage Blue Harry. But do how look your fa. You are doing well.